Time now for On Time.
Hey, Anna.
Good morning. We're in the skin section of America's Beauty Show with Monica from New Age Spa Institute and Displays. Good morning.
Good morning.
What is this machine?
Yes, good morning. So, New Age Spa Institute is a very highly qualified school that trains students, and part of our clinical training is working with OxyLight machine. The OxyLight machine utilizes 6 different modalities that are able to help to speed up rejuvenation of the skin. Obviously, as we are aging, our skin does not get enough oxygen, and also we are walking around full of toxins. So right now, what
So
we were
now
doing,
this is an LED light in oxygen.
yes, so this is how different this unit is, and we are very proud as the only school in the state of Illinois to be able to use this machine.
Monica,
the
what does this
OxyLight.
do to the skin?
And what happens here, the LED lights are helping to rejuvenate the skin. So as you can see, there are 3 lights constantly changing from germicidal into rejuvenation into healing phase. And at the same time, the skin is being infused with 95% oxygen. So it's a very unique treatment because you have basically 4 modalities in one. 3 lights with oxygen in it.
That's really cool.
So after that,
And it's safe, you were telling me, for anybody?
it's safe for anybody. Obviously, there are some major medical conditions like
Right.
epilepsy. We're not going to say it's safe, or
Right.
skin cancer,
Got it.
but other than that, this treatment is safe for any person.
So should I
who wants
switch
to.
from collagen to oxygen, or
Well,
do both?
basically,
Yeah.
if you think about collagen that's external, that's only at the surface of your skin.
Okay.
So you need to do both. So you need to get both.
Did you hear that, Robin? Now we got to do both.
Yes.
I gotta drink the collagen, do the oxygen. Tough to be a woman.